Hello everyone. Hi, how are you? I hope you are all doing great. We are here with another makeup review and it's like a one brand makeup tutorial and this brand is Sunny's Face which is available on Cult. This is Filipino makeup brand and almost every product is made in Korea. So these are the some products which I get. These are only available products in India. So starting with their skin so good multi stick, you can use this as a concealer, as a foundation, or as a contour too. Because of the brand description and transparency, I get my exact shade, which is saddle, and it just my skin but better, like a perfect match. It's a medium warm undertone, golden undertone kind of a foundation, and it blends very smoothly. It comes with a rotating packaging. Overall packaging is very luxury. Well, it's a typical cream foundation of yours which you can use in a multi-purpose. It's nothing new, but shade range is really good and comes in almost 16 to 18 shades, and shade description is really amazing. Well, I overall like the product, but it crease like any other cream based base product. And if you have a dry skin, you can also set with a powder, and if you have a oily skin, just skip it. It's not for you basically because it's a creamy product. On your skin there is a high chances that it melt down easily and crease out very easily. Well, overall I like the finish. It give me a my skin but better kind of a finish, like a model off duty model kind of a finish. Well, overall it's a decent product, not something I never seen before. Now let's talk about their blushes. These are the highly popular blushes, literally. These are airbrush blushes and it comes in like compact kind of a packaging, very cute packaging, and brand logo and everything looks so pretty. And it's just like a monochromatic packaging, like same as blush shade is on outer packaging, comes with a tiny mirror, and it just like feather, like literally feather. And the shade is so pretty on medium skin tone, and once I applied it, it blends like magic, like magic. But magical word not explain multiple characteristic of this blush. So basically it's similar like a trending powder kissed type of a formula, like when you applied it, it's converted into a cream and set it like a powder. And well, overall I really like this product. It's really pigmented, firstly little bit go very long way, and when you applied it just blends so seamlessly and literally highly buildable. I really liked it. Packaging to quality, everything is really amazing. Now let's talk about the lip, and these one are the most popular lipstick of their Sunny's Face puff matte lipstick, and these come in a various shade, so you have quite a good options. I choose very unique shade called Girl Crush. It's like a spicy pink. They describe as a spicy pink, and in my opinion it's like a terracotta pinkish peachy shade, like that's the true description from my side. Well, the pigmentation is top notch. They blend so easily, highly pigmented, and they not look patchy, and they just like a powder kiss type of a formula. Blur your lip lines, give you a highly pigmentation, and these are also a multitasking product. Every product of this brand is not a single use product. Every product is multi-use product, like you can do full face of using one lipstick kind of a product. So I use it as a contour, I use it as a lid color, and it blends so seamlessly, provide me very good color which I really like. Well, although I really like the formula, is similar like a MAC and better than Jason Wu lipstick. Now let's talk about their eye crayons. These are basically a eye crayon and you can use it as your lip liner too. I really like the packaging. It's a rotated packaging, comes with a sharpener, so they are very convenient in use. But if we're talking about the quantity is very less according to the price. I choose shade Bambi, which is described as a reddish brown color. Well, on my lips it's looking so beautiful, like it's a very true a warm kind of a lip liner, but I not see any reddish undertone in this. It's like a too neutral to cold reddish, like basically it's a true brown shade according to me, orangish brown shade. Well, it's look beautiful on medium skin tone, not for dark skin tone, because it's a perfect nude for me. You can see the color. Now let's talk about the formula is creamy, blends seamlessly, very long lasting, not smudgy, not budge on your lids, and not crease out, basically, which I really love. I am searching for a good matte eyeshadow, and now I find it. I'm super duper happy. It's my first matte eyeshadow and I really loved it. Like really loved it. It's creamy, give you a perfect time on a blending. You can blend easily, and like you can see that it just give you a very seamless matte lids, which I'm all for. Like I love time saving one done eyeshadow looks, and this product is perfect for that. And you can see that it blends so seamlessly, not smudgy. You can see the color, it's not true to the color. Basically the picture is little too reddish according to me, but yeah, it is smudge proof and long lasting and comes in a really great shade range. Now let's talk about last two products. Let's talk about their lip dip lipsticks. Comes in a 12 or 13 shades, and they are kind of a true to their color, which you can see in a minute. So basically I choose the shade terracotta, and this shade is like a turmeric brown color, which looks really good on warm skin tone like me. Application was really smooth, and I did not expect that the formula is that good, but it's really good formula. I really like it. In India we have similar formula which called Miss Clear Soft Cream. Miss Clear formula is transfer, it didn't, and it's lighter than that, looks really beautiful. Well, it's not true to the color because it's a little neutral according to the picture, but it doesn't transfer, which I really like. And overall I really like this, and I will definitely purchase more shade in this formula because it's matte but it's creamy and it doesn't transfer. Win-win. Now let's talk about their lip treatment. This is a gloss in a bullet foam, like any other brand launching glosses like MAC and Huda Beauty, but I really like this formula because in India we are going through heavy heat waves. Like our temperature is 50 degree, feels like 55, trust me. And this formula is doesn't melt down, which is really impressive. Well, it's true to their color and it glides very beautifully. It looks so beautiful. It's not too glossy and not too subtle. It's like a perfect color, like your lips but better. I really liked it, and I definitely purchased in a multiple colors for sure. Well, overall this brand impressed me a lot. I really liked it. I hope you like this mini review or a one brand makeup tutorial. If you like it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment down below. See you in another video. Unni is taking off. Bye.